one is today only. It started 3 hours ago, and there's supposed to be furniture at it.
Okay.
See, like this yard has too much stuff in it.
Yeah.
I don't. It's too much. Well, I sold a bunch of stuff out of our yard that was getting to be too much. So. Yeah, like look at this tiny little house right here.
Yeah. It's small, isn't it? Still got the Christmas lights on.
Teeniest,
It's
weeniest.
almost June.
Yep. Oh, I smell laundry.
Yeah, me too. Hello.
Hi there.
Hey.
Hi.
Look at the old
Shoe shine.
shoe shine kit.
That's cute.
It's probably not very old, but
I don't know.
I don't know, maybe.
No.
Hello, folks.
Hello.
Hello.
This, eh? Made out of hockey sticks.
Oh, look at the old Christmas stuff over here. Free.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Like this chair with the old hockey
Oh
sticks.
yeah. Wow.
It's quite something, hey?
Yeah. These here, I wouldn't mind having for our railing that's going upstairs to the second floor, from the main floor, because it's just attached to the wall right now. I wouldn't mind having every other step with these on it. Do you like them?
Do you think you can?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, really? How can you make it look good? So it's just a nail through the top of the railing into that.
No, it would have to go up into the railing.
Yeah, but I mean that's wider than the railing is.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know if it is.
No?
I don't know.
Heidi's putting some of these things on whatever.
You don't think it would look good? I don't know. I guess for $1, I mean, if I don't use them, I can resell them for sure. Oh, look at behind you.
Yeah, I know, I saw it already.
Yeah, cute.
One arm.
Oh my goodness, there's lots of stuff here. Oh, is there stuff in there too?
I don't
In
know.
the shed? Oh, cheese box.
Yeah, cheese box.
Oh, there's another one. $1. I think I have to get that. I can
Do you?
resell that for more. Yeah, I think
Okay.
so. Or what's on it? Is that? Oh, maybe it's a bit rough. I don't know. But like once the lid is on, that's pretty old. Can you imagine getting cheese in that?
No. Look at how much cheese you got too.
Yeah, you know.
Bung you up for a month.
Yeah, I think we'll get this.
Okay.
Do you want to carry it?
No, I'm good.
Oh.
Get this for work. Oh, here.
Hey, there you go.
Oh.
Oh. Is it broken? Oh, that's just the way it is, I think. You're not supposed to pick it up by that.
It's not very long though. Like I can't.
Oh, it doesn't get longer?
No, that's it.
Oh, okay.
So, just not quite.
Yeah, this floor lamp is perfect.
That's if this had a longer arm on it, I'd probably grab that. Yeah, the floor lamp would be hilarious.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a bunch of knobs.
What's that?
Oh, screws. In a box. See, I knew I'd get you to carry it eventually.
Yeah. Like there's another. You could try to grab the other cheese box too, then, or
I don't know if that one. Oh, what's this guy? Yeah, we'll get this too.
oh,
Yeah, it's a smoker's cabinet.
okay. Well, you carry that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, it's a cute one. I don't know that it's for sale
You can ask.
necessarily. It might be though. It looks like they're kind of selling everything.
They probably just kind of forgot about it because everything was piled on top of it.
Oh, there's something in it. It's heavy.
Oh.
So maybe
Okay.
maybe not. Oops, I just kicked that thing. I don't-
This is the place for you.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Everything basically on, not the tanks, they're actually, the only thing that I want to go is right here. These ones are keeping, but the rest, everything like,
Can
not everything sheds, but outside in these sheds, that's all.
Yeah.
yeah,
Whatever we can.
yeah,
Like honestly,
We found a couple things.
yeah.
if there's anybody who, not, you know what, we have one big old radio we're not doing anything, it's real big, it's a big old one.
Inside.
Yeah, if you want to see it.
Yeah,
I'll
I'd
show
like to have a look at
Yeah,
that.
sure.
Okay,
you. Just put your stuff up here.
okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah, just throw that up here.
Okay, we'll just set it here.
We're just
These,
not bringing some of that out here
yeah,
for obvious reasons.
understandably, yeah. Careful with the, yeah, there we go. You got tape on your shoe.
Yeah.
It's like toilet paper, but tape.
Probably had a heck of worse today, so. Yeah. I'll tell you right now, there's a piece down here though you're gonna drill.
Oh,
So
probably.
this is
Tall
the
tree
big-
right there.
Yeah. Oh,
Right in front here,
oh
tall
my
tree.
God.
Look at this thing.
Yeah, my daughter's gonna redo it.
Oh my God.
God, the hooks.
Are you
You
sure?
got the faces on.
She told me she doesn't want it.
We just, actually, we're just at the end of.
Wow.
That's
have a-
beautiful.
Awesome.
It's a Buena Vista, right?
Oh,
Well, that's
okay.
nothing. Look at this one.
Oh, yeah.
Goodness. You guys. Wow.
Nice.
Look at that. The curved front glass.
Full
And the
Tigerwood.
feet
Full
on
Tigerwood.
it.
We're taking the wheels off.
Beautiful.
Is that quarter sawn oak?
That's Tigerwood. We had a guy came in and looked.
Oh, yeah.
So we have that piece. So we got that.
Another one here.
Yeah, that.
Oh, that's nice
Yeah, that's
too.
going to this little thing. These couches.
Couches are pretty vintage.
Yeah.
Those couches. Well, we're building a true log cabin.
That's perfect. It's got the
Yeah.
steer head on there. I mean,
So we got this.
cool.
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
This is the big radio.
Oh, yeah, that is a big one, hey?
That is. We could, plug it in or try it if you. So
Might
that's
not
what.
just be the right era for us.
Yeah,
That
no.
was more mid-century.
No,
then
no, that's fine.
It's not
But
quite
we
as
just-
old as these furniture pieces,
Yeah.
which we collect about Victorian era, which is
But you never know until you see it, right? Like, I mean,
This
oh, and that hat box is cute.
we will sell that.
Is there anything in it?
We
Is there a
won't sell
hat
what's
in it?
inside it.
Is there a
But
top
we will
hat in
sell
there?
the box. No, it's not a top hat.
Oh,
This hat here is. It's probably going to go to the museum in here.
oh,
It's
wow.
It's actually a hat from the Regina Exhibition Association.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, look at that.
So we think this is going to the museum.
Buffalo Days.
We think we got it from, because then Buffalo Days isn't around. But when we sent a picture of it, and the museum was interested in it. So,
Good.
just the-
It's in excellent condition.
anyways, yeah.
Cool,
No, I just
hey,
thought when you said
appreciate
that,
you.
when you did the
Yeah.
other one, then
That's
you
right.
know people are serious, right?
Right.
Like some people.
Oh, we love
Oh, yeah, they're
that
just,
stuff.
you get a lot of tire kickers. Oh, look at this bike.
$3.
Geez, I could have sold your whole tree.
Yeah, you want to sell it to me?
She's saying nope.
It's so nice.
Refurbish it.
Ah.
You think there is
Okay.
another one of these? Are you interested in another one of these?
Yeah, if you
She
had.
thinks there's another one.
Oh,
Well, there was another one in the garage.
yeah. Yeah.
There
Dee,
might
do
be
you want to
something in
see?
it.
Yeah.
There definitely is. I think that's where Steve's
Just to the left of the door.
Yeah. And these.
Yeah. Funny because we went in the shed, that's where we just took them out of.
Oh, did you?
Grandma's saying no for that one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
problem.
Yeah.
She's checking on one here.
Oh, there's another one.
I don't know if she's just.
These people used to buy that amount of cheese at one time.
Well, he was
God,
working the
there's
grocery
a lot of cheese.
Oh, yeah.
I liked it last weekend, but we didn't do the
It's
hurricane.
gonna fit.
What is it? Antique.
So we got
I want to put an antique in it.
1, 2, so 17.
And I
And then see what they got in there. This Christmas stuff's cool.
Oh yeah, the old Christmas stuff.
Yeah. So I wonder if you got the pattern and then you had to cut it out
Possibly.
and put that on.
Glued on.
Yeah. Wow. Somebody did a really good job.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like
The kids' names. Brittany, Heidi, and Darius have been good this year. Same on that.
oh yeah,
Oh, Brittany has been good all year.
that's cute. Yeah. Oh,
We'll check with her, okay?
sure.
Yep, she'll let her go.
Okay.
This one's in a little better condition too.
Yeah. The other one has, I think somebody put some wallpaper on it or something. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So we got here. What did she have?
15 on that, yeah.
15.
Ooh. Careful.
There we go. Never better pay the boss.
Pay the boss.
She's in charge, yeah. She's in charge. It's her dealie.
I came prepared.
Good for you.
Yes. There's 15 and 18.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yes.
Probably makes a couple trips.
Probably.
can give you a hand.
I think so.
Out front.
Where are we?
How far? Yeah, I think we're over.
We just, yeah, not too far, I don't think. And I can do these two. There.
Oh, we got it.
There we go.
I didn't think we'd get it all in one trip.
No. Where am I? Is there a step? No. Okay. So you put those in the back?
I think so.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
I'll take it. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You unlocked it and then locked it?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my God, that furniture. He was right, I was drooling.
Yeah, I know that furniture was super nice. Several pieces.
The cabinet and the hall tree. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, really nice stuff.
Yes. I think I'm gonna put this top
A
down.
little bit of work, eh? It's
Yeah,
coming
that's
apart.
okay.
But you got the clamps, you got the
Still.
glue.
Yeah. There's nothing I can't fix. That's made. That was a key, I think.
Oh, you're right.
That's okay. A little knob. I'm sure I've got
Yeah,
replacements.
top of a key.
Ingenuity. Okay.
Okay. Well, that was a good one.
Yeah.
Too bad all that furniture wasn't for sale.
Oh, I know. At
Man,
first
oh,
you were
man.
like, I was like, oh my God.
She was almost contemplating it. I know. It looked like she was contemplating it.
I wonder if I should have thrown a price her way. I said, give you $200 for it right now.